chef in the place, we run the kitchen, we are set. The place on the jam to be active, me make it taste so nice. Me a the man to cook up a spicy curry rice. Yardie belly a medium, come check me radio station. Tuning at the vibes, feel the job creation. Me a cook it up, yeah. Me a steer it in a pop music and food, but the combination.
Hello folks, so here's a quick summary of a live that we did on TikTok. Remember, every Tuesday afternoon we go live on TikTok, guys. So today we're making plantain burgers. Yes, making burgers with plantain as the bread. To start this off, we have our green plantain that we fried and then we crushed it, and as you can see, it's really nice and crispy. And we have some lettuce, we have some bacon, we have tomatoes, and we already have our burger that we did in our Ninja Foodie Grill. Yes, the burgers are done. We're just adding some cheddar jack cheese to it and gonna warm it up a little bit more. Then after we're done with the burger, we throw the bacon in there. You can use turkey bacon if you want, whatever you so choose. Here we go with putting together the burger. So we put the plantain down, then we're adding the lettuce to the plantain, and we're using, as I said before, green plantain for this process. I'm using a little bit of boom boom sauce. You can use whatever sauce you so choose. And guys, once again, this is a part of a live that we went live on TikTok. Okay, so here is our burger down now, and on top of the burger we are gonna be putting some sauteed onions. Guys, this is one of those crazy dish that have been trending and I wanted to try it, and it came out really good. All right, we use red onions for this one. You can use Vidalia onions or any type of onion you so choose. You can add your onions raw if you want to, but I quickly sauteed them in my foodie grill, just to get out that little extra tang that you get with the red onion. As I said before, you can use your onions raw. Red onion is actually good for you. The next thing we wanted to add is our bacon, and we added our bacon on top. And guys, if you want to eliminate the bacon, you can do so, or you can use turkey bacon. The real star of the show was actually the plantains, and so everything else is just based on what you want. To top it off, we use our other pieces of plantains, and guys, voila, may I tell you, this one really good. The plantains add a different type of element, and it, of course, even though it's fried, it's a little bit better than the burger buns. You understand what I'm saying? Because it's not complex carbs, it's basic carbs. We also did some onion rings and some French fries for Joshua, and that was our Tuesday night dinner. It was a great idea, and a little bit different, from the norm. The plantain burgers was really good, and I suggest that you try this in your neck of the woods. May I tell you the truth? We could not wait to take our thumbnail pictures, and then it's time to sample it, guys. I couldn't wait. I'm not telling a lie.
You like it?
Peace of bliss.
You're not saying no words.
I can't say no words yet, my girl. The one you work. Babes, come on. So there you have it, guys. Our plantain burger. We use beef burgers to make this one. We also use some chicken. And I promise you it was really good. Try it in your neck of the woods. Yardie Belly TV.